COVID-19 infection has once again started to spread across the country. The number of patients testing positive for COVID-19 is increasing daily. However, despite the increasing cases, the mortality rate of COVID-19 in India has been very low as compared to countries like USA and the United Kingdom. An interesting study conducted by the scientists of New Delhi-based National Institute of Immunology and All India Institute of Medical Sciences has revealed that one of the reasons behind the low mortality rate of COVID-19 in India could be the prior exposure to other coronaviruses that cause common cold in humans. The study, based on T-cell immunology, studied blood and plasma samples of two groups to find out their response to the novel coronavirus. To the surprise of the researchers, the samples collected before the outbreak of COVID-19 displayed a high frequency of cross-reactive T cells that are responsible for triggering immune response against an infection.
We took the cohort of mild COVID-19 patients, those who recovered from the mild COVID-19, and after 5 to 6 months of their recovery, we collected their cells. Okay, we collected the blood, we took the cells out, and then we did the in-depth immunological investigation there. What we found that these mild patients have a fantastic immunological memory in terms of CD4 T cells and B cells even after 6 months of the recovery, and that's a good sign. Surprisingly, we took the control cohort. This is a kind of unexposed individuals, those who were, the samples which were available with us prior to the pandemic, and they have never seen SARS coronavirus 2 before. What we observed that majority of these individuals, almost 70% of them, they do have some of the T cells that are cross-reactive and that are actually responding to SARS coronavirus 2, and that was very surprising for us to see, because in our understanding, it should not happen that we have that level of cross-reactivity.
The study focused on the CD4 T cells, a subset of white blood cells that are required to generate antibody response against an infection. According to the researchers, cross-reactive CD4 T cells identified in the study samples were found to target different domains of the novel coronavirus, including nucleoproteins, structural proteins, and in some cases, even the spike protein. The study indicates that the presence of cross-reactive T cells must have contributed significantly to the low severity of COVID-19 in India. According to the researchers, their study also has the potential to plan and strengthen mass vaccination drive in the country.
But it's possible that those who have pre-existing immunity will respond robustly to the vaccine, and they may just need one dose of the vaccine. By that way, you can actually spare the doses, and rather than giving the 2 doses to an individual with pre-existing immunity, you can give more time. You can give a kind of a schedule of 0 and 12 weeks that will help to spare the vaccine doses. That's the first aspect on how this study will impact on the vaccinology and as well as the vaccine rollout in this country in a mass vaccination situation.
In India, mortality rate of COVID-19 has been less than 1.5% even after reporting more than 1 crore cases, while in other countries, this rate has been in the range of 3 to 10%. One reason for this is that in Indians, the common cold-causing coronaviruses have already strengthened the T and B cells that play an important role in the protective immune system. The study has been published in the medical research journal Frontiers in Immunology.